Hey guys, it's Ice the Code here. Today we're going to be making a jumping game in Scratch. You need channel, make sure you subscribe and the bell for more coding/programming tutorials. Before we get started, I want to give a shout out to Bill Brown and Favor Nadal. Thank you so much for subscribing. Sorry, Favor Nadal, thanks so much for subscribing. If you want to get shout out from me, subscribe and the bell and also comment, increase your chance of winning. So now let's get into the video. So first let's get our sprites. We want to use, let's use an animal. I'm going to use the panther. And now let's choose what we jump over. This is kind of wacky, but I'm gonna use tackles. Tackle. Now we want to reduce the size of the panther. Put it in, let's see, 40. Let's try that. Let's see that. Nice. Let's reduce the size of the tackle. Let's say 35. Oh, sorry. Yes. Now put it here. Now let's get started coding. So first of all, what we want to do, go to events and now see when space key is pressed. So what we want to do is that, let me allow now. So when the space key is pressed, we want our panther to jump. So as it's jumping and passing these obstacles, which is the food, we get score. So make sure to watch to the end. Now we're going to want to also, when it jumps, to make a sound to make it more interesting and lively. Now let's just use pop. Say starts, okay, go sound, start sound pop because it flows with it. Now after putting that, go to control and say repeat 10. Now you're going to say change y by 10. That's what's going to make it jump. And so we're also going to put something else too. Okay, make this 15. Actually, why make this 15? So you can jump high, because a panther is on the floor and is bigger. Like if it's a chick or animal that stands, not walk with the foreleg. Since this one is bigger, I have to increase the jumping size so it will be able to jump and pass the obstacles. But if we are using a smaller animal, like let me see, using a small animal like chick, duck, or dinosaur, you can use 10. For me, I'll use 15 because it's big. Now we're gonna go to control again and say repeat 15 again. And now we're gonna put change y by -10. So this is the code that we're going to make it jump. Change y by -10. Nice. Now see, if I tap it, see it's jumping. Nice guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like. Let's continue now. So stop it. And now we're going to say, let's go and make our variable score. Now press OK. Now say change score by 1. Sorry, change score by 1. Now put this down here. Now go to events again, put in a when clicked, go to motion. So we want you to go to a position, and also when the tackle hits it, the game should stop. So just put this here. No, we don't want it. We want everything to show. Let's put it here. Yes. So if you don't know, we scratch. As you're moving it from left to right, it automatically changes. See now it's 177 minus 158. If I put it here, it's 6547. So let's just have scratch works. Now put it here. Lay it down. No, small. Yes. Now what we want to do, we're going to say go to that position, and now we're going to go to variables and say set score to 0. If you've not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe and the bell for more courses like programming tutorials and share it with your friends. Now let's continue, guys. Now let's press it. See, as the jumping is getting scoreboard, we have to make the tackle move. So now we finish coding Panther. Now let's go to tackle. So now go to tackle now, and now say when clicked, go to looks, say hide. We don't want to show immediately. So we're going to use positions here. Now you're going to say control and say wait 1 second. Now go to looks, say show. Now go to control and put in forever. And now this is where it kind of get confused, but don't get confused. First of all, drag it here. Yes, put it here. Now take that position, pay close attention. Now take it and put it here. Now drag it here, drag it. Sorry about that. Drag it here. Oops, sorry. Okay. Sorry. Let me just try that again. So, and now put it here. Yes. Okay. Move it up a little. Okay. Yes. Now take that position. Is in the position. Now say glide. Yes. So it will be going back down. You get it? Now we're going to say glide 3.2 seconds. Now let's play this. You see, guys, it's working. Make sure you like the video if you're enjoying it. But now let's duplicate it. So just press duplicate to make it more challenging. And now change this one to 3 seconds. Now let's continue coding, guys. Okay, delete this first. Let's finish coding tackle for duplicate it. Now you want to go to events again and say when clicked. Now say go to control and say wait until. So want it that if the tackle touch the Panther, you should stop the whole game. So now say wait until, go to sensing and say touching Panther. Now put it in and say wait until touching Panther. Then go to control and say stop all. Now let's make it big, and now let's play it. Yes. Oh no. Let's try again. Yes. 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 So literally that's how the game works. Later on I may make an advanced part. Thank you so much for watching. We've come to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more courses like programming tutorials if you haven't, and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, happy coding.